Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional, not in today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 22nd, 2023, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. No, it's the additional of yesterday. Yesterday's newspaper, August the 21st, 2023, we have 3 puzzles left: the Letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Let me start with this one first. We have 3 puzzles, and the first puzzle I will do is the Letter Sudoku number, I believe, number 6966. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed, not digit, but in this case letters. And the letters that I can use are unique letters: the L, the G, the E, the R, the S, the A, the V, the T, and the O. And the goal is to solve this word. In the middle column, it's a Dutch word. After I've solved this, I will translate this in English. Alright, so let's get started. By the way, for Letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which letter can I use. Alright, G. How about E? Yeah, I'm thinking. GG. Oh, need an O there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. The first letter. Come on, the first letter. V. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing letters in the middle row. One of the missing letters is the V. We have a V in this big square, so no V in these 3 boxes. Here can be a V because we have V in this column, no V there. So the only place left for the V in the middle row should be there. One of the missing letter in the middle row is a letter O. We have an O in this big square, so no O in these 3 boxes. One letter is missing in the middle row. Should be the O there. So the G is missing in the middle row. Well, we have a G in the last column, no G there. Here, G in the column next, no G there. So the only place left for the G should be there. So 2 missing letters in the middle row for the letters. T is missing here. T is missing, and the S is missing. T and S. We have a S in this column, no S there. S should be here, and the T goes there. So we have a S in the last column, S in the column next. So in that column, no, only 3 places left for the S should be here, or there. We see an S in this row, no S there. Here an S in the row below, so no S there. So the only place left for the S should be there. TT. Well, 3 missing letters in this column. Oh, wait. We have a T in this column, T in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the T should be here, or there. You see a T in this row, no T there. Here, T in the last row, no T there. So the only place left for the T should be there. Alright. Okay. How about yeah, S in the first column, S in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the S should be here, or there. We see an S in the second row, no S there. S should be there. S. Alright. VV here. Well, 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the V and S. We have V and S in this column, so no V and S in this box. We have a V and S in this row, so no V and S in that box. So the V and S goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the letters. A G is missing, the G. And A is missing, G and an A. G and an A, okay. Alright. Thinking. T. 4 missing letters in this big square. One also missing letter is the T. We have a T in the first column, so no T in these 2 boxes. Here, T in the second row, no T in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the T. Should be there. T in this column, T in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the T. Should be here or there. We see a T in this row. No T there. T should be here. T in the third row, T in the second row. So the first row, there are only 3 places left for the T. Should be here or there. You see a T in this column, no T there. Here, T in that column, so no T there. So the only place left for the T should be there. And all the T's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter T. Come on. Yeah, I'm thinking. E. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the V. We have a V in the first column, so no V in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the V in this big square. Should be there. VV. So 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters O is missing. And the R is missing. O and R. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the O and R. We have an O and R in the first column, so no O and R in these 2 boxes. The O and R goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. O and R. We have an R in this column, no R there. R should be here. And the O goes there, so 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters, L is missing. And G is missing. L and the G. LG, yeah, LG. Well, one letter is missing in the first column. For letter, I believe the E is missing. Yeah, the E. Yeah. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the E. We have an E in this row, no E in this box. Here, and E in the middle column, no E in that box. So the E could be here, could be there. E in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, E in the row above. In that row, only 2 places left for the E. Should be here or there. We see an E in this column, no E there. E should be there. So we have E in the last column, E in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the E. Should be here or there. We see an E in this row, no E there. E should be there. Need an L, and I need an A. Need an A here. And need an R here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I'm thinking. Oh. OVS. OVS. L. Come on, come on, come on. O, A, O. Here should be the O. Here should be the O. Thinking. Do we have all the S's? No. Need the S. S in the third row, S in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the S should be here or there. You see an S in this column, no S there. So the S should be there. V and the S. We have an S now in this column, no S there. S should be here, and the V goes there. And all the S's are used. I can't see. Letter number 2, letter S. Then. Yeah. GAN. Still thinking. Well, in this row we have LG and a GA. Yeah. LGA and T. R is missing here. Need an R here. Wow. Come on. This is taking too long. VV. Yeah, VV. GG. Well, we have a pair here in this big square. We have an E and a G in the first row, the E and a G in the third row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the E and the G goes in these 3 boxes. EG. And look, we have an E and a G in the middle column, so no E and G in this box. E and G goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yeah. A, yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the A. We have an A in the middle column, so no A in these 2 boxes. We have an A in the third row, no A in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the A in this big square should be there. A in the first row, A in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the A should be there. So here we have a pair, and this is also the other pair, the O and R. We have an R in this column, no R there. R should be here, and the O goes there. 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter O. O in the first row, O in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the O should be there. G and A, we have an A in this column, no A there. A should be here. G goes there. L and a G, we have a G in this row, no G there. G should be here. L goes there. One box left in this row for letter, I believe the L. L in this column, L in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for L should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the L. We have an L in this column, no L in these two boxes. Here an L in the last row, no L in those two boxes. So one box left for the L in this big square should be there. One letter is missing in this column for letter V. We have the word in 50 minutes. Yeah. The word is toverslag. It's magic. Toverslag. Alright, let me continue. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters R is missing and V is missing. R and a V. Here also two missing letters in this big square for letters. R is missing and the L is missing. We have a L in this column, no L there. L should be here and R goes there. So we have a R in this column, R in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the R should be there. So I've eliminated the E, so the E goes there. E and a G, we have an E in this column, no E there. E should be here, and the G goes there. One box left in this big square for the letter O. Yeah. O in this column, O in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the O should be here. Or there, we see an O in this row, no O there. O should be there. O in this row, O in the row below. So the last row, the only two places left for the O should be here. Or there, we see an O in this column, no O there. O should be there. And all the O's are used, I can see. Letter number 3, letter O. Alright. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters A is missing. And the R is missing. A and R. A and R. We have an A in this column. No A there. A should be here. And the R goes there. R and the V. We have an R in the last column. No R there. R should be here. V goes there. One letter is missing in this column for the letter. I believe the R. Yeah, the R is missing. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. A is missing. And V is missing. We have an A in this row, no A there. A should be here. V goes there. A in the last row, A in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the A should be there. One box left in this column for letter. I believe the L is missing. And the final two letters in this big square for the letters. V is missing. And the G is missing. V and a G. We have a V in this row, no V there. V should be here. And the G goes at there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. Told you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a letter Sudoku. And we solve it again. And I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles in this additional of yesterday. Until then, bye bye for now.